Bruins behind the net with Lilleberg. Danault has it, throws it, drills it, score! Josh Anderson's hard work pays off, and Montreal takes the lead 2-1.
Josh Anderson, they're in both of these games, and you can see the physical play along the wall. It's the 50-50 battles down low. All three, and they're working low, and they're supporting each other. And Phillip Danault, talked about him before years, comes back here, gets the primary assist. But Josh Anderson also had a high-sticking goal that was called back in Game 1. Goes to the net. He has 3 guys on him.